Hello guys and welcome. We'll make an overview of ESFPS asset. It's a survival kit that I'm developing for like a month right now. And so we'll go in play mode. I will not go in details with everything because it's too much stuff and I already start to make a video for each system. We'll just make an overview of kind of everything but fast. I already make a video, but I implement not so many stuff, but I change some stuff and implement other stuff, so we need to make a new one. So we'll start with the player system, the basic stuff with health, hunger, and thirst, where you can take damage and heal. Um, Hunger and up, it's there. Hunger and thirst are depleting. I know it's the opposite normally. Anger and stuff I have to goes up, but for me, because I'm not English, and sorry for my English by the way, it was easier to go like depleting anger and stuff. So sorry. So you can adjust this value as you want. It's depleting with time. When you're running, it's depleting faster. Yeah, that's all. It's basic stuff. Next we have this one will go after a pickup system, of course. We have breath system. When you, I don't know if I go there, we can see it. I put the cursor there. Like breath system, you don't need kind of any animation, except when you take a weapon, when you aim. But I make the aim animation, even it's basic stuff. And when you go from a wall, because I used just one camera, I don't want a second camera. So if you see character is breathing, so you can change those value live, like he's running and he's out breathing, so you change the value like harder. Next we have the weapon system or the inventory system. We can see both in same time. I will not go in details with weapon system because I already make a video. So about the pickup system, it's a recast. So when you go like something, you have the name and the number you can pick up. And when you go just between, you have nothing, of course. Up, I will take everything. Since I have an apple in hand, even if I don't put hand. We have a consumable system with up, I will show you with restore vitals like health, hunger, thirst, and stamina if you like. So you can make eat, you can make something to drink, you can make whatever you want to restore vitals. So if I go and click up, I don't make any animation, but it's going hunger and thirst up, and I don't have anymore. And I should keep to show you the split and stack system. I'm stupid. So we have a split and stack system. You need to just hold left shift and click, and stacking it divide by 2. It's splitting, sorry. And stack will be divided by 2. Of course, with the weapon system, we have a drop system that it's throwing weapon. So whatever you have in your hand. Take that back, that too. So now weapon. For weapon, we have another breath system because I didn't know what to call that, so I call that weapon breath system. It's exactly the same script that for the breath system, which makes your weapon moving, so you don't need an idle animation. You can choose with those value, and it's kind of like random because of the speed, the idle breath speed. You will make the moving change faster or not. So if you don't put the same value there, it will go like randomly moving the weapon. But like I said, I will not go deep. After we have the weapon system, the weapon script, sorry, with basic stuff, with the codes, different, depending of where you're shooting. I will take that, maybe we can see it better. So it's wood, it's like the normal one. Oh. This one it's metal, and this one is concrete. This one it's like normal for anything. I will add later FX. I already add the bleed FX for enemies. Maybe we can see him. He's got our friend. I will put FX for every like wood, dirt, normal one. I don't know which one I will put, but I will find something. Metal, concrete, and I think we'll be okay. Next we have the sway. When you go left and right, the weapon is moving on the opposite side, simulating a movement. All this one I will not go because I already talk about in weapon system. What I add is automatic. So we have an automatic weapon shooting, and if you press B, you you go bullet by bullet if you hold click. If you press B again, it's going automatic again. Next we have the camera recall. When you're shooting, the camera it's moving along. You can adjust those values as you want. When you're aiming or not aiming. Weapon recall is the same. Take maybe gun. You don't need any animation when you're shooting. Maybe you see more, yeah. And we have the weapon movement. When you move, see weapon and hands are moving. Oh, sorry for lags, I don't know what happened. And when you run, it's the same. So don't watch it. It's ugly because I don't like set it up. I just put some random value to check if everything is okay. So for weapon system, it's okay. You have a video. I will put in description playlist of with all video because I'm presenting. If I not already, I will present everything in details, but system by system, so video is not too long. So next we have inventory system. When you take off something, when you're on the equipped slot, it's going off. When you put it back, it's going back. When you put something, it's equipping. We have a swap system, so you can play with. We have a tooltip system with name, description, and if we have an equipment, we have the start with. You can put everything you want. Talking about equipment, it's a capping too, so it's a mask. So I didn't know what to put, so I take a surgical mask, so a face mask with stats. I will come back in equipment system right now. Talking about inventory, we have a storage system that you can use as a loot box or something. We have a loot box with 3D model too. It's fast to just instantiate stuff in a point. And for inventory, I think it's okay. We have the pickup, we have the drop, we have the split, we have the stack. Equipment system. So we'll go back on player and player stat. So for equipment, for now I put armor and precision. Armor, it's reducing damage. I will show you. So I'm 100 health. If I go there, I take 10 damage. If I put the armor, I will just take 3 damage. So I just make a simple formula based on armor precision, and damage reduction and spread reduction. So basically, armor will reduce damage and precision will reduce spread. But if you want to adjust those value in your game, like I don't know, you want like 100 armor, stop damage, I add damage reduction. So if you put 200 on damage reduction, so I was taking 3, I can see I was taking 1, I think. It's too it's too small, I can see. But you can play with this value because the formula it's armor plus damage reduction to reduce damage. And in the same time, you can add those damage and spread reduction to stat 2 if you want to. For now, I just add that to play with armor value and how much it will reduce. And of course, it's stacking. We have head, chest, pants, and foot. So it's just the beginning of stat. I just make that fast for now. It was just like for testing purpose when I was making the human system. I will go deep later on because I will develop something more deep. I don't know what to say, and sorry for my English. And so we'll make a video just about stat system. But for now, we have a basic stat system. That off because it's pissing me off. Yeah, of course, I forgot to say, but we have a sniper and weapon system for now. It's C.1. And the only things I don't show you with weapon is the sniper zoom script. Will change the field of view when you're zooming, so you can choose how much it's zooming. For now, I just let it like that, but maybe I will change later with something different. More like when you zooming, you make other effect and not just sniper UI. Next we have the AI system. So it's the stuff I don't work so much for now, but they are wondering with random mode. I will show you them. Talking about AI before I forget, I make a fast video to try because AI is so heavy the game. So I try 125 AI in the same place. So in this run, just so you can see that. There. And I was still on 70 FPS. So it's really okay for the start. Because so many times when you see AI, it's so heavy. It's like when you put like 20, your FPS go divide by 2 and it's like, what the fuck? So it's really okay. We have a health, so we have a view distance because it's not a collider or something, it's where it's a real field of view, like in real life. So we have the view distance and the view angle that they can see you. I add a view distance after shot and view angle after shot. It's like when you're shooting them, they are pissed and they can see farer and more with angle. So running when they see you or when they being shot. Wandering distance, it's the distance where they can go from the last point. Of course, you need a nav mesh for them. The wandering speed, the wandering time change, the min and max. I add that because when or if you want like, I don't know, so many AI in the same place, you don't want them to have exactly the same wandering time or the same road. So putting that, they will for each one they will change the wandering road they will take with different timing, so it's more realism. And the other is for debugging, except the time before destroying. So if we go to him, so I can go. I will make a hard system later, but like I said, it's not the AI I work so much. When you go in his back, he can't see you. When you go in the field of view, he will start to chase you. It's chasing, and if I hide, yeah, okay, so me. When you hide, they stop on the last point they see you. So last point will be there. So we'll stop there. Stop before, because maybe before. Okay, you see the point. It's not so easy because it's an open place. I think it's okay. Yeah, stop to see me. So it's really basic for now. It's just close combat, it's not range. I will work on AI soon. Next for AI, you have each part of his body, it's different points. So for now, it's making the same damage everywhere except on the head. You have on weapon, you have wait, I will kill him because I don't like when he's running like me on me. You have on weapon that I didn't talk about on Waypoint System, so I will make a new. Head damage per bullet. So if you want, headshot can kill them. So that's all for AI. It's not so much for now, but it's coming soon. We talk about storage, yeah. We talk about weapon, fast, yeah. Inventory, yeah. We have a vehicle system. I just disabled it for now because I was working on save system, and I will rework all the vehicle system. Because I want to add many different motors that I can show you just fast. Cars here. Don't watch this script because I will change like everything, but I want to make a different motor to give you a script that you have so many stuff to make, to change, that you can make different motor, like a car motor, a sport car motor, a tank motor, I don't know, bicycle motor, I don't know what. So for now it's really basic, but I will change everything, but for now you can drive. When the left side of the car it's blocked, you go out from the right. When the right it's blocked, you go out from the left, of course, like usual. Oh, for French people, we drive on the left side in the car. And when the boss are blocked, you can't go out from the car. You can see that in the first overview I make, but like I said, I will rework everything, so. Next we have a build system that I implement. So I will take everything. So it's physically based, so it's normal that it's putting off cube. I don't know how I will handle that for now. So for now I just pick up stuff. And it's like I'm kind of like not proud, but kind of the build system. But I saw so many build system which are pissing off because it's not snapping really well. But you can see I take some time to work on, and it's really snapping good when you want to snap. So you can build foundation, you can rotate. I just put like 45 degrees rotation for now, but we'll change that later. We have wall. You can stack up, of course, and don't worry about the sprite because I didn't know what to put, and there it's too far, so I if I jump, maybe I can. Yeah, no, it's shitty. So, and we have both floors. Talking about building system, sorry. We have a life system on building. So if I shoot that, destroyed. I can show you. I'm stupid. I can show you that. Take this one. So for now, I'm working on it, but for now I can show you. I make 3 different materials like wood, concrete. I will change to stone later, and metal. I don't know if you know rust, but it's kind of the same stuff. So you have different life with different materials. You can choose which one you want. It's going on start method, so you can build wood and after concrete in live. And the else will change with which one you choose. Um, so yeah, that's all for building system. It's going fast. It's kind of sad it's going so fast because it take like not so many time, but kind of. And I really like building system I made. Yeah, you can play going like that if you want. It's half part 2. And you can play as you want if you want to play with. Oh, not touch there. Sad. And I don't know where I am because okay. So it's the beginning of the building system for now. I still need to think what I want to do. And sorry for the dododom. And next we will go on the save system, I think. Yeah, talking about the build system for now, it's taking it like an item. Maybe I will keep it like that because I like. And I will make something with gathering. I need the axe to show you the gathering. I forget to talk about the gathering system. So we have a gathering system. For now, I just put a tree, but you can put anything, it's the same. Um, Before it was dropping item, but I changed that to just like going in the inventory. Before it's going, I want to show you. So tree is falling, of course. Gathering system. We'll make pause. So gather up system. I already make a video to introduce it. So I will not go deep, but you can have a gatherer going with this gatherable. Like it's a tree, I have an axe, so I will have more than if I hit with other stuff like with a pickaxe. But you can make player will have nothing if he hit a tree with a pickaxe. You can handle that all in these values. You can drop 2 stuff, but you don't have 2, you can have just 1 if you want. You have a decal, so I don't put anything, but we have decals when you hit a gatherable. I will add later a fix, of course. And yeah, we have the time before the tree, the number of time you can hit the tree before it starts to fall. He hits the player when you under, and time before is disappearing. And I make where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I don't see it. Okay. Like you can have a different animation when you hit something. Like I have an axe. I don't make an animation for axe, so I'm clicking but nothing happening. But you can add an animation with axe, for example, when you hit an enemy or something. and when you hit a tree, and the same for pickaxe. Okay, and now we'll talk about the save system that I just finished. So we have our buildings, we have our inventory. I will put this one, and oh yeah, I can show you the split system, the stack system. So it's splitting, it divided by 2. When you have 5, you can't divide by 2, so it takes the less. That, one more, that, and 2 apples. That's just for testing purpose for equipment. And we have a moving platform. I made that a long time ago and I put it back. I don't know why. So for the saving system, I will not go deep, but you can have nothing to do. Objective save is just for me to remember and testing. Building will go automatically in this game object, so you don't need to use it. Just for world stuff, you need to add a savable world object to each object. So when you create it, you add it and you give it the scriptable object. And you need to put them here. Like I put the car and this one was the tree, but of course I destroyed it, so it's not there anymore. So for saving system, world object the same, it just that, and there it's storage, so we'll go to the save system. Every value is just for debugging, so don't worry about that. You don't need to fill any of this field except for now the storage data. You need to give him storage you want to save. For now it's up to 5 to save, because I will rework the storage system, so I just make it like that for now. And so you just need to give it just like you put, and it's going. And after that you have nothing to do. You just press P, so we can see in console it's saved. It's a JSON save system for now. Maybe I will change for binaries after, but for now I think it's enough. So we'll stop the play mode. So we have our building, we are full there. I will put the gun. Yeah. And we'll save again because I like to make it twice. I will stop, so everything it's like new. You can see. And we'll go in play mode again. Slow, and sorry again for the da. And we load. So we go back in our point with everything we add, with our building. Without our tree we break, and with the car of course because we don't move it. And storage is the same, it's all saved, and we are happy with that. So I think we check like kind of everything global stuff. Like I said, we don't go in details because we'll be too long. So thank you for watching, and I will put Discord and the asset store link in the description. If you have any question or suggestion or ideas or problem if you buy the asset, just come on Discord. I'm like every day there. If you buy the asset and if you come on Discord, just you have a welcome message saying that, but just send me a PM with your invoice number. I will just check it, and when it's verified, I will give you all. There you will have access to a verified channel where I put update like every day or every 2 days. So because Unity take sometimes 2 or 3 days and sometimes more to review the asset, so you will be like in advance with the asset store. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.